So if you want to allow some specific contacts to ring in your Do Not Disturb mode, first of all, open up your contacts. Let me find my contacts. So now choose any contact and make sure that you add it to favorites. Simply tap here at the bottom to add to your favorites. Great. Now let's swipe down from the top of our screen. Let's swipe down again to open up our control panel and locate our Do Not Disturb mode. Let's hold our finger to activate our settings, and here we can see our exceptions. So find your calls, messages, and conversations. Choose your calls and set it all on favorite contacts only, as well as messages and as well as conversations. And basically that is it. Now anytime when you're gonna get a call from the specific contact, or maybe if you get a message from the specific contact, they would always go through. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.